Hi! After watching the tutorial on how to get started with Telagus, let's have a look on the first screen of Telagus, which is called Dashboard. After creating your account in Telagus, please log in with your credentials to start exploring Telagus. Enter your email address and password on the login page of Telagus and click on Sign In button. Once you are successfully logged in, you will see the first page, Dashboard, like this. Dashboard contains various widgets, and all the different widgets will display the information based on your Telagus data. The widgets will display a summary of your Telagus data like login time card, leave statistics, important statistics, revenue statistics, deal statistics, call tracking details, leads conversion ratio, zero statistics, website analytics, project and project task statistics, Telagus recent activities, daily page views count, lead count revenue statistics, and lead source revenue statistics, etc. The dashboard will also display the information of today's birthdays and work anniversaries of your team members so that you can stay updated with all the information of your company. Also, you can filter the widgets data by selecting the duration from the top of the widgets and by selecting the team member and lead data wherever applicable to view the data on the widgets based on your requirements. If you wish to rearrange the widgets, you can do so by simply hold the widget from the top left corner of the widget where there is an arrow mark, then drag and drop the widget to the required place. You can rearrange all the widgets on the dashboard based on your requirements. You can also customize the dashboard, which means you can choose which widgets to be displayed on the dashboard basis your requirements. To customize the dashboard, click on the settings icon from the top right of the screen. Then click on Add or Manage button to go to the settings. A default dashboard will be displayed on the screen. You can rename the dashboard by clicking on the edit icon right after the dashboard name. Then rename the dashboard and click on Update button to save the new name of the dashboard. You can toggle between Enable and Disable button on each widget to make it visible and non-visible on the dashboard. If you want to preview how the widget will look like on the dashboard, click on I button from the right corner of the widget to have a look at the widget. You can also create multiple dashboards based on your requirements, so that you can easily switch between the saved dashboards without enabling and disabling the widgets each time. To add a new dashboard, click on Add New Dashboard button from the screen. Enter the name of the new dashboard and click on Submit button to save the new dashboard. Once it is successfully saved, it will start showing on the screen as a second tab beside the default dashboard tab. Then, click on New Dashboard and start enabling and disabling the widgets as per your requirements. If you want to make the newly added dashboard as default dashboard, check the Default Dashboard checkbox. Default dashboard will be displayed right after the login to the Telagus. You can add multiple dashboard by clicking on Add New Dashboard and follow the steps as per recently added dashboard. Once all the changes are done, click on Save button to save the changes. You can choose Save and Show button to save the changes and redirect to the dashboard. If you don't want to customize dashboard layout anymore, you can delete the same by clicking on Delete Dashboard button and confirm the delete. Once the customized dashboards are added, you can switch between the dashboards by simply clicking on the settings icon on the dashboard and select a dashboard you have created. It will start displaying the widgets based on your customized dashboard. You can go the dashboard from any of the screen from Telagus by clicking on the dashboard from the left menu bar. Please see our other videos to learn how to use different functions in Telagus. Thank you.